Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's video we're going to talk about how you can basically wrap your text around an image in WordPress. So let's go to our page. Go to all pages on the left hand side. Let's go to the About Us page, for example, and here we're going to wrap a text over our image. So we are going to click on this plus right here, which is very important. So this plus is the block. Left click on that and click on browse all. We're gonna scroll down to media, and on the media and text we're gonna left click on that, and here on the left hand side you're gonna get the media area, which we can upload here our image, and on the right hand side it's gonna say content, which is the text part of the basically that function. So we're just gonna click whatever, and on the left hand side on the media area we're gonna left click on upload, or we're gonna left click on media library, and we're just gonna choose an already used image, left click on select, and here it is, as you can see. So here you can basically choose where the image and the text will be. Basically we can just do it wide, we can do it with none, we can basically align middle or align bottom or align top. Let's say we're just gonna align bottom, and on the right hand side on the text we can basically choose the size of the text and edit it. For example, let's say it's gonna be the heading, and on the heading side we can choose whatever heading we like. The higher the number, the smaller the heading will be. So let's say it's heading 1, and if you want it to be the same as the paragraph, you can basically just click on that, click here, and just left click on paragraph, which is gonna be the same text as any paragraph on your page. So basically we're just gonna click on update, right click on view page, open link in new tab, for example, so we can see what we've done. So here it is, we've successfully wrapped our text over our image on our WordPress page. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope guys it helped you, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.